Hey y'all, I decided I wanted to make a flip up with this little note sheet. So I backed it onto some cardstock and I'm going to cut around that. Then I'm going to go find some fabric so I can make a fabric hinge. And I'm just going to cut it a little bit narrower than the width of the note sheet. And I'm going to glue this little flap onto the back of this card. And once I get that glued on, then I'm going to take some backing paper. I have some scrapbook paper that I want to use. And I'm going to cover the entire back and hide that little flap. And then I'll use some Distress Oxide ink and ink around the entire piece. Now I slipped this little piece of cardstock in here so I didn't make a mess on my actual backing paper when I glue this into the book. And now I want to kind of hide the glue mess that is seeping through that fabric, which I knew it would. So I have this little piece of gold textile that I'm going to use. And I'm going to steal a little piece off of it for later. And I'm just going to glue across part of this so that it will lift up so you can write underneath it. And then the little piece that I stole, I'm going to use for a tab on the bottom so that you can pull on it and lift the flip up. Okay. I like it. Thanks for watching, y'all.